This is 315. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Onyinye if this is the first time here. So I just finished filming this makeup look for my Instagram reel. If you're not following me on Instagram, go check out my page. It's at _Onyinye. I'm going to leave it on the screen right now. Okay, I filmed this makeup tutorial for them. I post makeup tutorials sometimes. This tutorial is for those that like serious makeup. Like on a normal, this is not me. I like my makeup really light and subtle, but there are people that like, you know, to go all out. So I did this tutorial for them. It's on Instagram, but right now I need to wipe it off. Like I need to. So guys, I just came back from the market. I went to buy, I've been craving okra soup since yesterday. So I went to the market to buy, you know, the okra and the vegetables. I ended up buying miscellaneous things, okay? Like things that were not even in the budget at all. So before I even continue, if you're in Nigeria, how are you guys handling the terrible economy that we are currently experiencing? Like things are getting more expensive, like things are getting really hard. And it's not like money is coming in from anywhere, you know. With each passing day, more people are suffering, you know. Everything is just tiring. I bought some ugu, which I want to use and make. I want to make plantain porridge tomorrow, or ripe plantain porridge. So I bought some ugu. Then I bought pepper. This is 300 naira pepper. I went to go and buy plantain. Today I went to the market. I was walking up and down looking for plantain. Number one, plantain was not like that much in the market, like people selling plantain. The area where they normally sell plantain, people were not there much. So, and the few people that had or ripe plantain, they were just calling price for me. So eventually I later found this woman that sold this one for me. Let me show you guys. So this is the plantain I bought. I bought it for 1.5. Does that even make sense that this thing is 1,500? As in with a bag, like I was literally begging the woman. The plan I had was today I'll make okra soup, tomorrow I'll make plantain porridge. So I had already finished buying everything, every other thing. I was not looking for plantain, walking up and down. So I was panicking in the market whether I should just cancel making the plantain porridge and, you know, look for another alternative. But eventually I bought this one like this. This one is small, like it might not even be enough for everybody, but I'm still going to make it like that. I beg. I cannot keep myself. It's not my fault that plantain is scarce and then it's quite expensive. This one is ugu leaves. I told them to cut it for me because this one is the one I use and make the okra soup. And here, this one is okay. I bought something in the store and they didn't have change, so they decided to give me this sachet complex. Instead of them wasting my time while they are looking for change, I just told them to give me this thing like that already. So then I also bought ripe plantain, small ripe plantain. While I was in the market, I just thought, okay, let's make beans and plantain. That was how I went to buy this. That was how I went to buy this small nonsense. Like, can you guess how much I bought this one? This thing you're seeing, just 4 fingers, 400 naira with a bag. Like, I was literally telling them, please, please. But the situation of things is getting worse and worse. Then they gave me biscuits. There's another place where I went to buy something. They didn't have change. They gave me biscuits. I don't know. Today is just the one kind day. So right now I'm going to start making the okra soup. Thank God that they've already cut. I cut the okra and the vegetables in the market. So thank God I don't have to worry about that one. So I'm just going to steam the meat and, you know, start cooking the soup. I'm actually hungry. I think I'll just drink this cornflakes now. Another lover, would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's
in me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen, bring good dreams in me. Yeah, she's what I need.
I wanna feel cold in the morning, stealing covers off of me. And I don't even need a warning, 'cause girl, I won't go back to sleep. I just wanna feel you on my chest, savoring each breath. I wanna drink wine in the evening, singing all our favorite songs. And I don't need to chase a feeling, 'cause you already knocked the edge off. And I just wanna dance around the room, loving only you. Every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. I wanna stay home on the weekend when all our friends are going out, 'cause I don't see the need for speaking when you can just kiss me with your mouth. I don't need to try and pass the time, 'cause it's already flying by. Close when you need me, but no one else could understand. And when we have a house and a family, I'll still hold on to your hand. I'll still look you in the eyes like the first